Hello students, in the present video we will understand the difference between cash flow statements and fund flow statement. When you come to the cash flow statement, it is prepared based on inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalents during the one particular financial year. What do you mean by cash and cash equivalents? Cash and cash equivalents refers to cash in hand, cash at bank, any marketable securities which can be easily converted into cash within less span of time is refers to as cash equivalents. Whereas in case of fund flow statement, we will more focus on working capital changes. Gross working capital is refers to summation of current assets. Net working capital refers to current assets minus current liabilities. So our focus would be on working capital changes. And cash flow statement is used to calculate cash from operating activities, investing activities, and finally the financing activities. Here in case of cash flow statement, we will divide the activities into three categories: operating, investing, and financing. And we will show three activities separately. What was the cash movement in operating, investing, and financing activities? Whether inflow or outflow of cash will be shown clearly in cash flow statement. Whereas in case of fund flow statement, we calculate funds from operations as well as the statement containing source and application of funds will be prepared. Funds from operation will be used to calculate what are the funds generated through operating activities of the business, and finally how the funds have been used, that is application of funds, to utilize this fund, how we source those funds, how we source that money, the capital which is required to apply. That will be understood and analyzed in source and application of funds. Cash flow statement shows the short-term financial position of the business. It will not talk about the long-term financial goals and objective of the business. Whereas fund flow statement shows the long-term financial position of the business. As it talks about the funds, it will talk about the long-term planning, long-term financial requirement of the organization. Cash flow statement shows the movement of cash during the beginning and end of the accounting period or financial year. What was the cash exist in the beginning of the financial year? After the various activities, that is operating, investing, and financing activities, what is the cash left at the end of the financial year will be shown by cash flow statement. Whereas in case of fund flow statement, we will understand changes in the financial position of the business between two accounting year or financial years. What was the fund available in the beginning? What is the fund and how it has been used will be analyzed through fund flow statement. Cash flow statement is a very significant part of the financial statement, as it is a mandatory document and mandatory part of the financial statement that should be prepared by the companies. Whereas fund flow statement is not a mandatory document. It can be prepared as per the need and requirement of the organization, whereas it is not mandatory. That's the reason why we are calling it as not a part of financial statement. So these are the basic differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. I hope I have given you clarity regarding the differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make more qualitative and informative videos. Thank you very much.